My name is Anabelen and I studied abroad in Florence, Italy during my spring semester of my sophomore year. My major is marketing with a minor in fashion. Florence was a great city for me because it was so walkable and there was always something going on. The things I enjoyed most about Florence were visiting the Ferragamo Museum, which can be seen in these pictures, the Uffizi Gallery, the Gucci Gardens, which can also be seen in these pictures, seeing the David at the Accademia Gallery, watching people playing instruments all over the city, the amazing food, a croissant and coffee, charcuterie board, pesto pizza, hot chocolate, carbonara my favorite, tomato sauce pasta, a panna cotta, and another pizza. I enjoy the beautiful sunsets from the plaza and spending time with the new friends I've met on my study abroad program. This program and location were a great choice for my professional goals. I want to work in the fashion marketing industry, and living in Florence gave me the opportunity to take fun classes such as Intro to Fashion Marketing. I was also even able to witness a Gucci photo shoot in the middle of the city. I had a professor who was knowledgeable about the fashion industry and pulled from her experience working for fashion companies in Europe. All of our assignments were based in real-life scenarios. Florence is also known for the leather district where I got these boots. Through my host university, I was able to join a program that paired me with an Italian student. We would meet once a week to learn more about each other's values and culture. For example, I was able to learn how the Italian culture is different in the various regions of Italy. With the incredible people I met abroad, we traveled to different countries and learned about other cultures. For example, here's a video of us dancing in the streets of Lisbon, Portugal. I also traveled with my friends to Rome. It was a great experience. It was so fun to learn about all of the history and culture that there is in Rome. We also went to London and Amsterdam, which was really fun. There were beautiful places. We also went to Interlaken, Switzerland, where we tried all different kinds of chocolate. I gained lifelong skills from studying abroad, such as becoming more independent and learning how to solve problems by myself. I also learned how to use public transportation and how to cook organically with local ingredients. I was able to finance part of my study abroad experience through the Gilman Scholarship program. I am extremely proud to be a Gilman Scholar recipient and thankful for the resources the Gilman program provided me while abroad on the alumni portal. If I had one piece of advice for anyone considering going abroad, would be to do it. There are resources that can help you and it would be the greatest experience of your life.